Good morning, student. Already we had seen the lesson from economics, gross domestic product, its growth and introduction. Now we are going to see the same lesson, limitations of GDP. There are 4 points are available. The first we are going to see several important goods and services are left out of GDP. What do you mean that the GDP includes only the goods and services are sold in the market? For example, relationship of parents and children. So what do you mean by relationship of parents and children means here easily we can understand the service of parents. What the parents is going to give more service to the students. It is also important, but the service of parents not added with the GDP. Second point we are going to see GDP measures only quantity but not quality. In 1970s, schools and banks did not permit the use of ballpoint pen. So the quantity of pen is important in the GDP, but quality of the pen is not valid. So slowly they started to give more importance for the quality of the pen. So when they had given more importance, the importance of quality of pen is not added with the GDP. And third point we are going to see GDP does not tells about the way income is distributed in the country. The GDP of a country may be growing rapidly, but income distributed unequally. So here easily we can understand the income of a person is not distributed equally to all the persons. It is differ from one person to another person according to their capability. And fourth point, the GDP does not tells about the kind of life people are living. A high level of per capita real GDP can go hand in hand with very low health conditions of people. For example, undemocratic system, high pollution and high suicide rate. Undemocratic system is we can see our country having 29 states, all the states are not equal. So that is we call like undemocratic system. Then high pollution, easily we can understand in our country we have more pollution. So through the pollution also we are getting so much of problems. And last we are going to see high suicide rate. Because of their living conditions, the people started to go for suicide sometime. So this we call like limitations of GDP.